getting out.
I'm good, partner. Partner, get over here. Cover.
I got him. He's down in the doorway. He's down in the doorway. He's down in the doorway, guys. Hey, come back over. Everybody good?
Everybody's good.
Watch windows.
Yes, sir. Sergeant on the air.
He's getting out. He's getting out.
He's down. He's down. He's down. Partner, you good?
Partner, get over here. Cover.
I got him. I got him. He's down in the doorway. He's down in the doorway.
Down the doorway, guys. Hey, Devin, come back over here.
I got you. Moving. Moving. Everybody good?
Yep.
Lots going on. Keep going. 814. Keep going. Right there. Oh shit! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Get back. Get back.
Get back, get back, get back. I'm good, partner.
Yep, get back. He's down by the front door. He's down by the front door. He's down in the doorway. He's down in the doorway.
He's down the doorway, guys.
Watch windows. Watch windows.
814.
Keep going. Oh shit! Stop! Stop!
Get back.
Cover.
Yep, get back. He's down by the front door. He's down by the front door. He's down in the doorway. He's down in the doorway.
He's down the doorway, guys.
Watch windows. Watch windows.
Everybody good?
Everybody's good.
Watch windows.
He's getting out.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Get back, get back, get back. I'm good, partner.
Yep, get back. He's down by the front door. He's down by the front door.
He's down the doorway, guys.
Watch windows.
Everybody good? Yep.
Go over there.
Okay, hold on.
Get up on him and start rendering medical until the ambulance gets here.
Hey, Sean, you got med? Okay.
All right.
Hey, someone get the medical bag from the Tahoe.
Shields up.
It's in the back seat.
Okay, hold
All
on,
right.
guys.
Everybody just take a deep breath.
Yeah, take a pause. Lockett, do not move. No harm will come to you.
Put your hands straight up in the air. Put your hands straight up in the air.
Lockett, if you can move, you can crawl. No, stand by. What do y'all want to do? What do y'all want?
You're not crawling good.
Slow down, slow down.
There's a
What
gun.
do y'all want?
I see the gun. We're gonna try and approach. I'm gonna try and kick the gun away.
I'll approach.
Yeah.
I'll step between the gun and him with the shield.
I'll grab the
and cover him.
Okay.
All right, let's
Okay,
do
a little
that.
slow. Take
Nice and easy.
There is a camera guy. Out the door.
Kick that gun back. Kick that gun back.
Easy.
Kick the gun. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Gun.
Put your hands up.
I'm gonna step over him. I can't see his right hand.
Anybody else inside?
I'll slice it, and I will step over him with the
Guys,
shield.
pull him. You're gonna
Let's try and pull him out.
Yeah, pull him out.
Pull him out. Let's try and pull him out. Somebody go hands.
The house. Somebody cover the house.
91B04.
Suspect in custody now. Yeah, we need an ambulance around.
The gun is right there in the doorway. The gun's laying in front of the door.
Okay.
Lockett! Lockett! Can you hear me?
And we'll have a good angle of approach from right here, okay?
Okay, hold on. Hey, Sean, you got med?
Yeah, it's in the Tahoe.
Okay.
All right, shields
Hey,
up.
someone get the medical bag from the Tahoe.
Shields up.
It's in the back seat.
Okay, hold on, guys.
Okay, everybody just take a deep breath.
Yeah, take a pause. Lockett, do not move. No harm will come to you.
Put your hands straight up in the air. Put your hands straight up in the air.
Lockett, if you can move, you can crawl. No, stand by.
No, there's a
Don't wanna
gun
do
there.
it.
You're not crawling to it.
Approach and
Approach and get the gun.
I'll approach. I'll step between the gun and him with the shield. I'll grab it and cover him. Okay.
Just, hey, real slow, take your time. Try and get some hands.
The camera, guys.
Yep.
Watch the door. Easy, easy. Good.
Keep your hands up.
I'm gonna step over him with the shield.
Anybody else inside?
I'll slice it.
Try and pull him
Get him
out.
out of the door now.
Pull him out.
Out of the door.
Try and pull him out. Keep that gun.
Easy, easy. Good.
Keep your hands up. Hold on. I'm gonna
step over him.
I can't see his right hand.
Anybody else inside?
I'll slice it, and I will step over him with the shield and cover the
Try and
living
pull
room.
him
Okay?
out.
Yeah, pull him out. Pull him out.
Try and pull him out. Somebody go hands.
Watch the house. Somebody cover the house.
Get him out of the door. Get him around this corner right here.
Yep.
Bring him to the corner. Bring him to the corner.
Bring him over here.
Get him.
I'm gonna step in with the shield. Okay.
Vice,
Here, hold on. Just hold.
Vice over here. Hold the door. There you go. All right, guys, let's start medical.
Somebody got the med bag?
Hey, do you need to do the med or?
Yeah, I can do it.
Go ahead. Go ahead and do the med.
I think HFC. Got it. That's thick. Doesn't appear to be conscious and breathing. Okay, that's good. I didn't hear you. Hey, just,
Here, hold on.
start stripping them down, guys.
Yeah, just start pulling his clothes off.
Hey, make sure
Strip 'em
check
down.
for weapons. Check for weapons first. Gunshot wound, upper chest. Gunshot wound, upper chest.